Hey everybody, so I'm super excited to share with you. Today I just got my new Roomba. So I have had other vacuum cleaner robots in the past and they've all sucked. No pun intended. So I was hesitant to try out Roomba, with the price points, but I figured, hey, let's get the most entry level one, the newest one, and let's see how I like it and we can go from there. So all in all, I'm super excited about it. Setting this up was super easy. I just plugged this base in and just connected him, and that was it. Now, I haven't even set up the app. There's an app for this. It'll give you all sorts of great features and stuff. But when you go ahead and turn it on,
Cleaning is starting now.
it'll start cleaning. Look how great of a quality of a job it does. Switching between carpets, finding the nooks and crannies, doing its best to get all the nooks and crannies. It doesn't hit the wall or anything. It really senses that. Now, I imagine that's part of the LiDAR detection. The little piece on top is a LiDAR. So I imagine that it has something to do with that. But all in all, it does a really good job. Look how it navigates around those corners without bumping into anything. I think that's really fascinating. It does its best to try to get every little nook and cranny, which is very important to me. So I'm really impressed with that. All in all, I think this is definitely going to be worth it. The fact that we're able to navigate so easily outside of underneath a chair like that, I've never seen anything do that. And then watch how it gets just every little corner. It's like, oh, there's a corner. Let's get all the way to the edge as far as we can. So I really like that. So all in all, I'm really impressed with this robot and I'm super happy about it. I hope this video helps. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.